What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money online with Google. And the best part about this is you don't need a website to do this, and you don't even need any money. I like to bring you the best methods to make money online. And more importantly, I like to bring you methods where you don't need any money to start that are the best for beginners online. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this in this video right now. Now, if you're new to my channel, every single week I bring out videos on how to make money online. So make sure you smash that subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and hit that like button so you know when my next video comes out. We bring out the best videos on the internet that you can get every single week. And on this channel, I teach people how to create a steady income online, no get rich quick schemes, and show you how to build up an income online and grow your online wealth. And that's exactly why I do these videos. Now, you must watch this entire video to the end. You will learn how you can make money online for free, how you can do this without having your own website or product. So you don't need to go and create a course or some sort of product to actually sell and make money with. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a bonus on how you can even make more money from this particular method. So make sure you stay all the way to the end so you get this information, because if you don't, then this method might not work for you. Now, if you're here for the giveaway, guys, once again, we are giving away access to one of our courses or some cash. What you need to do is you need to find the emoji in this video and then comment down below. You guys know what to do. Now, the winners are up on the screen, and once again, we've done 2 again this week. So let's get into the method. I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money online with Google. All right, guys, so every single day on Google, there's billions of searches. So essentially, people are going to Google every single day and searching things. And I'm talking about millions and millions and even billions of searches every single day. There's like hundreds and thousands of searches every single second. And what this is essentially people are just searching for things. So they're putting in specific keywords and they're searching for specific topics, like maybe how to make money online, how to build a website, or something like that. They're looking for specific things and tutorials or just anything about that topic. Now, the thing is, when you search in Google, usually you're going to find websites, okay? So this website here or this website here, for example, these are websites in the Google search console, what we call the SERPs. It's usually websites that show up on this page. But how do you actually do this without having a website? You don't want to have a website. You don't want to actually create one and do all that work. Well, there is a way to actually do that. But the first thing you need to do is you need to go and find a product to promote. You need to find something that you can make money on. There's something called affiliate marketing where you can find a product to promote and you can make money by promoting that product. And there's lots of different marketplaces where you can find products to promote. If you want a full tutorial on affiliate marketing, I will leave some videos below that will show you how to start affiliate marketing, but this is how to use Google to do this. So you can use something like clickbank.com, digistore24.com, or jbzoo.com. These are the main 3 affiliate networks where you can find products to promote online. And like I said, I have videos below about that. Or what you can actually do, and what we're going to be using for an example in this video, is you can go and promote a program called Shopify, for example. So if you went and promoted Shopify and someone signed up to the website, you would get a commission. Okay, so you would actually make money from Shopify. Now, this is just an example that we're going to be using in this training, but you can do this for all sorts of programs, ClickFunnels, stuff on ClickBank, stuff on JVZoo, but you'll see what I mean on how this works in a second when we start actually doing the traffic method. Now, with Shopify, you can earn an average of $58 for each user that you sign up to a paid plan. Okay, that's the average. They pay a very, very good commission, and that's why a lot of people actually promote this particular product. And all you've got to do is go over to shopify.com, scroll to the bottom, and click on affiliate program and sign up as an affiliate. I'm already signed in, so it might, so I'm actually already signed in. Oh, so it's got all the information here, and you go to apply now to become an affiliate. Very simple, and this is my affiliate marketing dashboard here, where I have an affiliate link, and if I send people to that link, I make a commission. But we'll talk about that in a second. How do you actually make money with this method? Now, if I go here, can I drop ship without Shopify? This keyword is just an example, okay? If I go to google.com and I paste that in, what's going to happen is at the top of the page is actually a website called Cura.com. Now, Cura.com is a massive question website where people answer questions. And what they do is they have authority, so Google ranks them for a lot of keywords. And we can actually use this. So if we click on this, can I drop ship without Shopify? This person has done a very in-depth answer about a specific topic. And he's got links in here and stuff like that. But more importantly, people can click on his name, click on his website, click on his offers. Now, you could go out and you could promote Shopify in here, or you could promote a Shopify competitor and say, hey, maybe you could use this for drop shipping. But this is just an example. But what you could actually do is what I would be doing is I would be going out and creating a video based on the topic, and you can upload this video for free to YouTube. Okay, that's what I would be doing. Then I would actually be going to Cura.com and I would be finding these keywords. I'll tell you how to find these keywords in a second. And I'll be putting good replies to answers, okay? Now, we're not trying to get traffic from Cura.com. We will get some, but we're trying to get traffic from Google when people search specific keywords, and we want to find keywords where Cura actually ranks first. So we don't have to worry about ranking any websites or starting any websites. Now, what you want to do is you want to do an in-depth explanation, but at the bottom, you want to have a link to your video, okay? So I actually do it here, and this is an example here. So basically, I do this all the time. So people search something, they click on it, and I post about a video, right? I have a video. It's good to have a video because you can't really post affiliate links on Cura straight up. You have to have what we call a bridge page. And the video is the easiest thing to do because it's free. You don't have to show your face. You can just do a screen capture. Like I could take my face off this video if I wanted to. I do it all the time in my videos. And you just create a video and you give a good reply with a video. Then in that video, you can put your affiliate links in the description. But we'll talk about that in a second. How do you actually go and find these keywords? There's two ways you can do this. Number one, there's a free way. You can go to answerthepublic.com and I could put in Shopify, okay? Now this is a very tedious way of doing it, but I'll explain to you how you can do it and I'll show you a better way to do it in a second. So Shopify is going to bring up all of these questions that people have asked in Google. What you want to do is you want to go and take all of these questions and you want to put them into, okay? Basically put them into Google. So which Shopify plan? Okay, I'm going to put this into Google real quick. Now, what's happened is what's come up is just normal websites, no Cura post. So I would keep doing that until I find particular Cura posts that are ranking in Google. And then I would do content based around that. And we're going to use the Cura authority to get people to our content by posting the content. And it looks kind of like this. So people are going to go to Google, put it in, they're going to find the Cura post, click on it, our video is going to be there. But then more importantly, right, we can actually use this video to distribute them anywhere. So when they click on this video on YouTube and they go to YouTube or whatever, we can actually have a link in the description. And if you want, you can do it so the video doesn't play on the screen. You can actually do like an anchor text to go straight to the video. And we can send them to Shopify from there. We could send them to collect emails or an opt-in page or something like that. There's lots of different ways that we can actually collect these people to make money from them. Now, what if you don't want to go through the task of looking for keywords and stuff like that? Well, here's a little bit of a trick. If you go to a website called ahrefs.com, they do have a free trial that you can start. I think it costs a little bit to do the trial, but you can start a free trial, right? Put Cura.com into the search bar and click search. And it's going to give you all of this information. Don't worry, we don't need this information. We're going to go to, I think it's organic keywords. Yeah, organic keywords. And what we're going to do is we're going to include Shopify. It's actually going to show us what Shopify keywords are, where this actually ranks for specific Shopify keywords. Okay, so if I highlight this, and I put in Shopify scam, it's got, is Shopify a scam down here, right? So this is the Cura thing. And then it also lists a lot of other ones. All of this stuff that you can go and post in. You can literally do a video on how Shopify is not a scam. And then you can say, hey, you should check out my affiliate link. You can get Shopify here. And there's all of these places that you can actually post a reply based on that, right? So here we go. right? Just go and post a reply. People are going to go from Google to Quora, and they're going to see your content. Now, a bit of a disclaimer, obviously you can't just do this once and you're going to make lots of money. This is something you need to do often, probably daily for a long period of time, to start building up that organic traffic, okay? I'm not saying you're going to get rich overnight with this. You will need to build this up. This is exactly how I built up my YouTube channel, by doing this method or similar to this method. Now, if we go down, what it does is it shows you the keyword. So 60-day Shopify trial. It shows you where they rank on Google, and that's just an estimation. And it shows you the link. So you could actually click on this link and go to this link, and you can check it out. Okay? So this person's actually done exactly what we're saying. Hey friend, to get a 60-day trial, you just need to go to shopify.com. And then they've done a video down here of how to do a thing, and they probably have affiliate links in here. They're doing exactly what I'm teaching you. And you just go down, and this is the easiest way to find all of the keywords on the left and where Quora is ranking, and you do content based on these keywords. We can also put in something like ClickFunnels, which is another program that you can promote for a commission, okay? And it's also going to show up. So what is ClickFunnels? Quora is in position 7. What is ClickFunnel? ClickFunnels scam. What are ClickFunnels? So let's put in what are ClickFunnels and see what comes up. Go down, and it's right there. What are ClickFunnels? I think my website's actually on here. No, it's not. So what are ClickFunnels? And you've got all of these questions that you can actually answer with a video that you've created. You can go and create a website if you like as well and link people to a website, but you need to link people to some sort of bridge page or something. You can't just send people straight to an affiliate offer, or your link is not going to get approved. You need to send them to a bridge page. But that's all you do. You go out and do that, and you're essentially using the Google traffic and authority of Quora.com to get traffic to your affiliate marketing offers so you can make money online. So once again, if you don't understand how this works, what you want to do is you want to go find specific keywords that this Quora website is ranking for, okay? And then what you want to do is you want to go and find this stuff. So people put stuff into Google, they go to the page, and what you want to do is you want to go to that specific thing. So we'll say this one here. So let's say, hey, what are ClickFunnels? Okay. What you want to do, for example, is you want to explain what ClickFunnels is and how it works. You want to do a very detailed description. Don't just post something on there and don't do much detail. This has 38,000 views. Okay. So you want to go and put in some good content. And at the end or somewhere in this content, you can actually put your YouTube video link. And people will click that YouTube video link from Google. And then in the bottom of that video YouTube description, you can actually put an affiliate link, or you can tell them on the video to click your affiliate link. And you're using traffic from Google without using your own website. Now, to do it for free, I recommend you use this particular program here. Or if you want to do it and get a trial of this, you simply go to ahrefs.com and you do what I just showed you, organic keywords, and put in the keyword. Now, a little bit of a secret with this is you want to actually go and build up an email list. The reason you want to do this is because if you actually build up an email list as well, you got all of these people on this email list that you can actually send traffic to, offers to. So you can basically say, hey, check out this new offer that's come out on the market and all of this type of stuff. There's really a lot of stuff that you can actually do with this. Now, if you actually want to learn more about this, some more advanced training, I actually have a training where I take you through everything step by step. How you can build funnels, do email marketing, ClickBank training, Amazon affiliate marketing training, ClickFunnels training. We teach you how to do search engine optimization, free traffic methods, and paid traffic methods. I will leave a link in the description that will take you through exactly how you can go and check this out and see that. However, if you want to see some more free training, I'll leave some videos up on the screen that will take you through step by step on how to make money online with the best methods online. So click those videos now. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll reply to your questions. I'll see you on one of the videos on the right.